Okay, are we ready? Alright, kiddo. It's coming in for a landing. It's coming in for a landing.
Oh.
Oh, you didn't get it in your mouth. Try again. Try again. Try again. Now, can mommy have a bite? Okay. Now Wesley has a bite. Wesley has a bite. Ow, don't scratch mommy, okay?
Gentle.
Here you go, you got it, you got it. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, here we go. Ah! Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Another bite. Oh, oh. Gonna have some good poo-poo today now? Baby? Yum, 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 yum. Ah. No dilly-dally, mommy. Just get in my mouth. Oh, good boy. But you listen to mommy. Mommy says you don't need to put your hands in your mouth. And you got smart and you said that I'm going to just grab your hand and pull it closer. So smart. Okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, it's dripping down.
Somebody loves Hawaii.
Somebody's got so much fruit to eat in Hawaii, huh? Yeah, special times. And then we'll go back to LA and you're just gonna get rice cereal. It doesn't sound very exciting, does it? Oh.
Whenever he still likes water.
Whatever, you're an Asian boy, you better like your rice cereal. Oh, did you want to show people how you can drink water too? Yum, 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 yum. Okay, we can start a different video.